Hey everyone! In our last session, we crafted a sleek, responsive product registration page using Tailwind CSS. It looks great, but looks aren't everything in web development. Today, we're going to give this form some brains by writing the back-end logic. We will focus on three main pillars: security, data integrity, and seamless user experience. Specifically, I'll show you how to securely upload images to your server and process form data without that annoying page refresh, thanks to Ajax and the Fetch API. Let's get into the code. Before the server can do its job, we have to send the data correctly from the front end. You might be used to sending data as a JSON object, but when images are involved, we need a different tool, the formData.object. Why form data? It is the most accurate and easiest way to package files like images for the server. The request. We use the Fetch API to send this object as a POST request to our backend file, productregister.php. By using Fetch, the user stays on the page while the data travels in the background. It feels modern and professional. Now we're on the server. Rule number 1 of backend development: never trust the user. The first thing we do is call session start. Authentication. We must verify if the user is actually logged in. Authorization. We check if their account type is seller. Gatekeeping. If an unauthorized user or a bot tries to access this script directly, we stop them immediately with an unauthorized access message. This ensures that only the right people can add products to your database. Once we know the user is allowed to be here, we grab the data. I always use the trim function here to strip away any accidental spaces at the beginning or end of the input. Next is server-side validation. You might wonder, didn't we already validate this in JavaScript? Yes, but client-side validation can be bypassed by anyone who knows how to use a browser console. We must re-verify everything. Is the title actually there? Is the price a number greater than 0? This is your second line of defense for security and data quality. Now for the heavy lifting, the image upload. We use the _files array to access the uploaded file's metadata. But we don't just take the file and save it. That's a huge security risk. MIME type check. We verify the file is a genuine JPG or PNG to prevent people from uploading malicious scripts disguised as images. Unique naming. We generate a unique file name for every upload. If two sellers upload a file named product.jpg, a unique name prevents the second one from overriding the first. Storage. Finally, we use move uploaded file to transfer the image from the temporary directory to our permanent uploads folder. With the file saved, we need to record the product details and the image's URL path in the database. This is where prepared statements come in. Note: prepared statements are essential to protect your application against SQL injection, one of the most common web vulnerabilities. If the database insert is successful, we echo a simple success response. Our JavaScript on the front end sees this word and knows it's time to redirect the user back to the registration page with a success message. And that is how you handle a professional product registration process in PHP. We've covered everything from form data to secure file handling and database protection. You can take this exact logic and apply it to almost any system you build in the future. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the backend, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next part of this series. Thanks for watching.